ready to supercharge your newsletter with Beehiiv's advanced features. Let's seamlessly migrate your entire Ghost operation. First things first, we need to export your valuable content from Ghost Log into your Ghost admin panel. Navigate to the Settings section, usually found on the left-hand sidebar within Settings. Look for the Labs or Site Export option. Click on this, and you'll find a button to download your site's data. This will typically generate a zip file containing all your posts, pages, and media. Save this file to a location you can easily access. Next up, it's time to tackle your subscribers. Back in your Ghost admin under Settings, find the Members or Audience tab. You should see an option to export members or export CSV. Clicking this will download a file, usually a CSV, containing all your subscriber information, including their email addresses and any custom fields you might have collected. Again, save this file securely. Now, let's switch gears to Beehiiv. Head over to your Beehiiv account and log in. Look for the Import or Migration section. You might find this under your account settings or a dedicated onboarding flow. If you're just starting, Beehiiv makes it easy to import your Ghost content and subscribers. First, you'll want to import your content. Beehiiv often has a specific option to upload your Ghost export file. Select the zip file you downloaded earlier. Beehiiv will then process this and pull in all your posts and pages, ready to be reviewed and published on your new platform. Take a moment to check that everything looks as expected. Finally, let's import your subscribers. Select the option to import your audience or subscribers. You'll then be prompted to upload the CSV file you exported from Ghost. Beehiiv will guide you through mapping your existing subscriber fields to its own system. This ensures all your subscriber data is correctly transferred. Once confirmed, hit the Import button, and your audience will be ready to receive your newsletters on Beehiiv. And that's it. You've successfully migrated your newsletter from Ghost to Beehiiv, ready to unlock a world of new possibilities. Beehiiv Migration. Ghost Migration.